Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This homemade soup is perfect for a light and comforting meal. Let's start with the ingredients. For the soup, you will need carrots, onions, garlic, and fresh ginger. Now for the spices: paprika, turmeric, black pepper, and some coriander. And I also add a seasoning cube. Start by sauteing the onions until they are translucent. Then add your garlic and ginger paste. Saute until they are brown. Then add your chopped carrots and stir everything together. Pour in water or vegetable broth and let it simmer until the carrots are soft. Add your spices, salt, and then let it simmer for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now pour the soup into your blender and then blend until smooth. Now pour the butter into your saucepan again or your pot. Add a little water or your vegetable broth according to your preference, and then add your coriander leaves and stir and let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Now give it a nice stir and then it's ready. And this is your healthy carrot ginger soup ready to enjoy. If you like my video, subscribe and don't forget to like, comment and share. See you on the next video.